This Lambda power supply came to ERD from one of our many semiconductor customers. This power supply was dead and required a repair and full refurbishment before being reinstalled in the semiconductor tool it is used in. This particular power supply is a fixed voltage output at 6 volts of direct current with a capacity of 1,200 watts or 200 amps. Testing this unit after repair is also a simple process, as we have the needed load to simulate the unit within its native system. ERD has a long history of repairing power supplies like this Lambda for a number of industries and uses. Please reach out if you have something similar that needs repair, even if it's not within our web catalog.